In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error retry friend error message in Grok. So the first thing you can do is to clear the cache on your Grok app. So go to your phone settings, scroll down until you see General, open it, and then click on iPhone Storage. And then over here, search for Grok, click on it, and then click on Offload App. This will take some time to offload, so I'm going to skip. And then once it's offloaded, you can click Reinstall App to reinstall it. And then once it's reinstalled, you can now exit out of here. And then when you open it, it should work. If it still doesn't work, then another option you can try is use a VPN. So go to your app store and then search for VPN. And there are tons of VPNs you can use, as you can see. So just get one and then open it. And if you want a free one, for example, VPN Hotspot Shield, which is right here, is a reliable VPN to use if you want a free one. And then once you activate it, now you can open Grok and the error message should go away. And if you're confused about the error message, it looks like this. So this error message shouldn't appear anymore. Let's click skip. And now I can talk to Grok. Oop. Let's just choose anything here. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.